Hi everyone, Reshma here from the Braze Learning team. We work with brands who sell to customers all over the world, and most of them rely on local teams to manually translate every single piece of marketing content. But with BrazeAI, they can build an agent that automatically localizes promotional content at scale. Let's see how it's done. In this example, the brand is Shop Sauce. They've kept a detailed catalog of all their inventory, but it's entirely in English. They've had massive success with their back-in-stock email campaign for English-speaking customers. It's performed so well, they need to replicate that exact experience for German, Spanish, and Portuguese speakers. We'll head over to the agent console and choose Create Agent. Next, we'll ask Operator to help us translate the product descriptions, metadata, and categories into our target languages. After thinking for a minute, Operator automatically starts updating the agent instructions and configures the expected outputs. Now, we can go back to the agent details page and see everything that Operator built for us. Let's put this agent to work. We'll jump into our catalog settings and add our new language fields. By clicking Apply AI Agent, we select the translation agent we just built and map it to our new German, Spanish, and Portuguese columns. We'll click Add Fields to automatically include those new descriptions. Wow, look at that! In real time, the agent is running through every single SKU, automatically populating the new fields with accurate localized product descriptions, categories, and metadata. What used to take weeks of manual coordination is done in seconds. With our global catalog ready, we can jump back into our existing back-in-stock campaign. I'm going to let Operator know that I've created new fields and that it needs to help me update email content in the new languages. We can see the original English email, and in seconds, the other 3 new translated versions generated dynamically using our agent updated catalog data. Everything looks perfect. We'll approve the changes, and just like that, we are ready to launch globally. By pairing the power of catalog agents with BrazeAI, brands can eliminate manual translation bottlenecks entirely. They can create localized data in seconds, dynamic campaigns that speak their customers' language, and a faster time to market, all from BrazeAI.